You gotta let being healthy go out the window on road trips. Healthy snacks suck. What am I gonna do? Snack on trail mix for 3 days?
All right. My parents have a house down in Florida. As you guys all know, I work fully remote. It's February, it's cold as so packed all my shit up, all coat as shit up, headed down to Florida. I mean, he drove here from California. He's a seasoned traveler. Every time I drive through these little ass towns, I always think to myself, what's happening? What's happening here? You know? Like, what do you do? For some reason, I've always been intrigued about the thought of living in a trailer park. What goes on at the trailer park?
I'm a white boy, but my neck is red. I put Miracle Whip on my Wonder Bread.
I mean, I'm sure nothing great happens at a trailer park, but there's just something like a community. Like, I would just work at the gas station.
Good boy, bud.
An hour and 45 minutes until we're in Baltimore.
It's like traveling with a baby, traveling with him.
Okay.
Let me tell you, you can always trust a Hampton Inn, a Holiday Inn, a Hilton. Can't go wrong. Skip the Red Roof Inns. Skip that shit. Personal preference.
Good first day.
Whoa, buddy.
Before I go to bed, I have to figure out where I'm going tomorrow. Because originally, North Carolina is like 6 hours from here. So that was the original idea. But now I'm thinking, do I keep going to South Carolina? Do I go an extra 2 hours? We're in Baltimore. So what I'm thinking is, how do I zoom in? What if I keep going to Myrtle Beach? And then the next day, be in Daytona. That's it. Figured out my route. Should we hit the road? Let's get the fuck out of here. Let's go, bud.
Also, I'm wearing the same thing that I wore yesterday. Don't judge me. Hot tip, always travel with wet wipes. Toilet paper just doesn't get the job done. Flushable wet wipes.
Good boy, bud. Okay, to Myrtle Beach, baby. 7 hours. Here we go. 400 miles. Don't tell Coda that. Oh, okay, so personal opinion from someone who has taken a hell of a lot of road trips. I always like to leave before the sun comes up. Like, it's 6:30 right now. It's not that early. I just try to avoid driving at night because if your car breaks down at night, that's exactly how the Texas Chainsaw Massacre started. Anyways, it's 6 in the morning and I don't have much else to say to you people right now. So, see you when I see you. I need to get gas.
The beautiful thing about leaving early in the morning is that you get to where you're going before nighttime. Supposedly my hotel has an ocean view. Not that it's warm enough to go in the ocean, but you know, you still want to see it. You're going to Myrtle Beach, so.
Okay, officially in Virginia. There's the sign. We just got to North Carolina, 3.5 hours left. Coda is over it right now. Homeboy needs to get out. We're gonna take a little break. Ooh. Never mind, that place looked like it's where you go to die. So we're gonna find somewhere else to stop. Every rest stop in America looks like this. Up. Good boy. Okay. I'm gonna eat some snacks. Okay, any good road tripper always packs snacks, okay? Peanut butter cookies.
A bite for me, and a bite for him.
You gotta think of the whole car. You can't just think of yourself. I got Pringles, Oreos. It's like, why the not? This is pepperoni bread. Someone else likes pepperoni bread too. Are they healthy snacks? No. You gotta let being healthy go out the window on road trips. Healthy snacks suck. What am I gonna do? Snack on trail mix for 3 days? Really? It's over, bro.
All right, officially in South Carolina. Coach, we're almost there, bud. Almost there, buddy. Nice. I'll find the beach. He's like, what the is that? You gotta keep him on a leash or he will literally go right in. Whoa! I mean, it's under construction, but hey, we got an ocean view. Oh, easy. Okay, lay down. I haven't been to Myrtle Beach since I've been like 12. Honestly, it's nicer than I remember. Or is it trash? I don't know. Well, tomorrow I'm gonna be in Florida. Dakota.
The next day.
I'm putting this flannel back on. Don't judge me. It still smells fine. Not wearing the hoodie anymore.
Parents used to take my brother, sister, and I to Myrtle Beach every year. Coming to Myrtle Beach and not playing mini golf feels unholy. I mean, you bring the family, you play some mini golf, you go to Rainforest Cafe. Unfortunately, I don't have time to play mini golf, and Coda doesn't have thumbs. What am I gonna do? Go play mini golf alone? Look like a pedophile? Hey, kids.
Coda. Pit stop and then 3 more hours to Daytona Beach.
Georgia.
That's all I know.
He's leaving on that midnight train to Georgia.
Here's the thing about when it rains in the southern U.S., okay? Is that it's either gonna be a sprinkle or it's gonna be a tornado. Just saying. Just officially crossed the Florida-Georgia line. Sunshine State? Okay, not living up to your name, bro.
It's Sunday. Honestly, everything closed. I got here too late to hang out on the beach. So that's the ocean. Whoa! I feel like it rains every day in Florida. But it's for like 10 minutes. Okay, I need to go get dinner. Dakota, you're gonna take a nap. Boy. After this, it really is bedtime. Probably gonna stuff my face some more, but
excited? Holy shit, I am. I gotta get the out of this car. Jesus. You wait. Wait.
Hi.
well, we did it. I feel like that was good bonding time. Me and my boy, us. We should do this more often. I don't think I'm gonna film the way back though. I can't do, okay, now I'm gonna go back.
Alright, well, really enjoyed my time in Florida. Hung out with my mom and dad, took Coda on a nice trip. Now we're headed back to the frozen tundra of New York. Our first stop is Savannah, Georgia.
Good boy, buddy. A mess.
Okay, so made it to Savannah, Georgia. Never been here, but I've heard great things. I hear I need to check out historic River Street. Let's go look around.
Should we go explore Savannah? Yeah. We're headed to Richmond, Virginia. That's our next stop. This is what we're doing for the rest of the night. Me and Coda. Love you, bud.
The next morning.
Tough life, bud. 2 more days. I am so sick of living out of a suitcase and of hotel rooms. Wormslow State Historic Site since 1745, so before the US was even a fucking thing. These trees were growing, there was houses back here, now my dog is pissing on the trees.
You're a good boy. Okay, good boy. Worth the stop. Plus now I got to walk him again, so.
Okay, now we're going to Richmond. It would also not be a road trip if you didn't stop and get Taco Bell. All right.
Really? back where the snow is. Lovely.
Driving in New York is just irritating because you have to look out for bikers, pedestrians. People don't give a shit.
Is that mommy? Look at that. The family's back together. Oh. Whoa, bud.
Oh, buddy. Ah! No. There we go.
Did you just fart? Took you and Code out for a fucking potty break.
Coda bear, Coda bear. I love you. How about really take right back?
My God, it's gonna keep beeping. It's gonna keep beeping. 5 hours till I'm home. Woo! Okay, for the record,
For the last 2 hours, I've just been driving in silence. No radio, no phone calls, no music, no podcasts, nothing but my thoughts and the voices in my head. 20 minutes to home.
Good boy.
we're back. Thanks for coming on the trip, guys. I'm gonna go take a long nap. Well, Godspeed.